Welcome to our channel. How to set up your Range XTD Wi-Fi extender in router mode. This video explains how to set up your Range XTD Wi-Fi extender in router mode to create a new Wi-Fi network from your existing internet connection. Follow these steps to get it working. Unbox your Range XTD extender. Ensure you have the extender unit, an EU plug, a US plug, a quick installation guide, and an RJ45 cable. Set the mode selector button to router mode. Plug Range XTD extender into a wall socket. Connect RJ45 cable from your DSL modem to the WAN port on the extender. Turn on your computer and connect to the Range XTD network. No Wi-Fi password is required for this. Open any browser, Chrome, Safari, or Microsoft Edge, and type IP address 192.168.7.234 into the address bar. Log in with the default password when prompted. You'll be asked to select one of the modes, repeater, router, or AP. Choose router. Pick the WAN connection type among dynamic IP, DHCP, static IP, and PPPoE that works best for your setup. Enter Wi-Fi settings for your Range XTD extender. Make any additional changes you need, then tap Apply. The extender will reboot automatically. Once it restarts, your Range XTD is now functioning as a router. If you need to make further adjustments, like changing the management password or updating the firmware, just access the default IP again. Your Range XTD extender is now successfully set up in router mode. If you have any questions or face any issues, feel free to leave a comment below. We'll gladly help you out.
Thank you for watching.